Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can share the link to your GitHub repository with other collaborators online, for example, publicly. So let's get started, guys. All you need to do is head over to GitHub, log into your account, of course, and here on your home screen, what you want to do is click on your profile icon in the top right corner and click on your repositories here on that drop-down menu. That is going to give you access to the list of your created repositories here on GitHub. So simply pick the repository you would like to share. I will go with that test repository for demonstration purposes. So click on it, or alternatively click on this green new button in the top right corner to start and to create a new repository. And after that, guys, on the next page, simply copy that link here. Make sure that you have selected HTTPS and copy that link here by clicking on that button to the right to share the link to that repository with team members and collaborators online, for example, by pasting it here in the URL address of your web browser. Alternatively, guys, all you need to do is simply copy the URL of your repository here at the top and paste it anywhere you like online. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.